Peter Bernstein, Senior Editor for TMCnet.com, and I'm here at Cloud Expo in beautiful New York City, and I'm talking today with Jason Mondanero. Welcome, Jason.
Oh, thank you very much.
Of Metratech. You're a software billing and settlements company.
That's correct.
Tell us a little bit about the company, and then let's talk about what's going on in the market.
Sure. Metratech has been around for 15 years doing enterprise billing and settlement. We have two products. We have our flagship product, Metratech, which is used in a variety of industries globally. And we also have a new SaaS product that's actually built on the public cloud that provides a similar type functionality, and it's the up-and-coming platform as well. So we're a two-product billing company, and we have a lot of experience in this space.
So let's talk a little bit about user pain points and why you come to their rescue.
That's right. Business models are really changing out from under a lot of people in a lot of our industries. For example, in our communication markets, the whole cloud technology thing has come on the scene. So their traditional hosting and business models relying on communications, minutes, and phone calls, all that's kind of falling by the wayside, and the big moneymaker is going to be all the B2B services around cloud adoption. Similarly, in transportation, a lot of transportation providers have been privatized or need to manage much more complex relationships in terms of airports, concessions, cargo, various vendors, so that's also getting very complicated. So Metratech really provides a platform that allows their customers to use metadata to define a model that allows them to encompass all their changing business needs and roll in additional business models as they evolve.
So we're talking operational efficiency and effectiveness,
Yep.
and we're talking about the ability to help people who have very complex billing issues automate the processes, correct?
Yeah, that's correct. And it's beyond billing, and really want to tie in that settlement issue. So if you think, for example, about cloud technology, it's really become commoditized on the pure infrastructure as a service point of view. So for communication providers and people that want to enter into the cloud marketplace, they really need to differentiate themselves by providing higher level value-added services. And they're not going to really be able to provide those all by themselves. So what they're going to wind up doing is they're going to wind up building an ecosystem of a variety of partners, and all those partners are going to need to get paid. So in some cases, the bill to your end user may be quite simple, but you still have a very complex set of relationships that you need to provide payables out based on. And our platform does those calculations as well. So it can be either way, complex business-to-business enterprise contracts, or even the settlement contracts out to all your suppliers and vendors for the services that you provide.
Where's the action right now? Is it in billing or settlements?
The action's actually mostly in settlements. I think, especially on the consumer side, people want to try and keep it simple for as long as possible. And even on the small business and enterprise business things, the pricing is relatively straightforward to keep it simple, but the number of players being involved is getting very complicated. Those business agreements are very complicated in terms of the payables, the timeframes, the net terms, things like that. So really the settlement side of the business is really where we see a lot of the growth.
So let's talk real briefly about how do I engage you if I think I have a problem?
Sure, we have sales groups around the world, both in country and industry experts. They usually get contacted either directly through partners, large system integrators, ERP platforms. A lot of our folks really are looking to extend what they currently have and realize that ERP, CRM, there's kind of a big gap in the middle, and it turns out that's billing and settlement. So usually they wind up coming to us. They find us through Google, through our website, through our talks or speaking engagements, and then they engage with our teams. And we have years of experience in our sales and our professional services groups, and we'll engage those customers and help them define their problems and really help them to move on with their projects.
And basically you're friendly or vendor agnostic to all the ERP and CRM capabilities that are out there?
That's correct. We've integrated to, I believe, over 15 different ERP platforms because, again, we want to focus on calculating the numbers for the settlement and for the invoicing, and really you're still going to use an ERP platform for your financial accounting. We have a saying where, creative accounting, you go to jail, creative billing wins you customers in the marketplace. So that's why we're a strong partner for a lot of ERP platforms.
So if you have a billing and settlements problem, regardless of your size of your company, Metratech's a good place to go.
That's right. We have products that fit all sizes of companies, and we're here to help.
Thanks a lot, and have a great show.
Thanks a lot.